Transcription quiz of Lesson 8, Volume 2. Dear voter, as I am sure you realize, the fourth ward school board election will take place on Thursday, May 21, period. There are several candidates running for the positions that are open, paragraph. Each of the candidates is well qualified, but you must decide for yourself who is best qualified, period. The League of Voters has prepared the enclosed pamphlet giving a brief history on each of the candidates, period. Take a few minutes to study the pamphlet carefully, paragraph. On May 21, take time to cast your ballot for those candidates who you feel are best qualified for the job, period. Your city and your schools depend on your good judgment, period. Very sincerely yours,